Mastering, putting it briefly, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unravel its mysteries for learners worldwide. Today, we're focusing on a phrase you've likely heard and might want to use, putting it briefly. Understanding this phrase is key to mastering effective communication in English, especially when you need to be concise. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's important. Putting it briefly is a phrase used to indicate that you are going to summarize a complex idea, story, or explanation in a few words. It's a signal to the listener or reader that you are about to give the essence of the information without going into detailed descriptions. This phrase is particularly useful in formal presentations, meetings, or even casual conversations when time is limited or when you want to highlight the main points without overwhelming your audience with too much information. Using "putting it briefly" correctly can make your communication clearer and more efficient. Here are a few scenarios where it can be especially useful. In presentations, when you need to summarize a long point or complex data to keep your audience engaged. In writing, to introduce a summary of your main arguments or conclusions without going into all the details. In conversations, when you're asked for your opinion or explanation but need to keep it short. To use it effectively, follow it with a concise statement that captures the essence of what you're trying to convey. For example, putting it briefly, the project was a success thanks to the team's hard work and dedication. Let's see "putting it briefly" in action with some examples. 1. In a business meeting, putting it briefly, we exceeded our sales targets this quarter due to our new marketing strategy. 2. In academic writing, putting it briefly, the research suggests a significant correlation between sleep patterns and learning efficiency. 3. In everyday conversation, putting it briefly, I had a great time on vacation, and I'd love to go back. These examples show how the phrase can transition your audience to a summary or a conclusive statement across different contexts. And that's "putting it briefly" for you. It's a powerful phrase that, when used correctly, can make your English communication more effective and polished. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in summarizing your thoughts and ideas concisely. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase in your next conversation, presentation, or writing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.